Wait, a girl that actually listens to you and never gets mad at you sounds like a dream, right? Whether you want emotional support or someone to practice conversation with or just a companion, Character AI is the stuff for you. And in this video, I'm going to create an AI person absolutely from scratch, defining their personality, appearance, interests, everything. And finally going to test whether the conversations sounds realistic or not. So let's get started. Start off by going to character.ai, and here you can create an account using either your email or using your Google account. And once you do that, you'll land on this dashboard here where you can find multiple scenes as well as featured chat and featured character, the ones that are trending, and different scenarios to use this platform, which is Character AI. So now to build your own character, click on this create button and select the character option, which will open up this character page. So I'm going to collapse this sidebar, and let's start off by creating an avatar for our character or an image for our character. So click on this image icon and this edit button. Now here you can either upload an image that you already have for your girlfriend, or you can use this feature to generate one. So I'm going to generate an image. All you have to do is describe the character that you want to create. Like here I've described a girl in her early 20s with expressive eyes and naturally wavy brown hair, etc. Now all you have to do is click on this generate button and it will give you a few image options like these right here. Now you can choose any of these images as your character pick. I'm going to use this one, and all you have to do is click on this select button. Now here you have to enter in the name of your character, which I'm going to name her Elara. And now this is a tagline. Basically, you have to add in a line that describes the entire personality of your character, or in short, how your character would introduce themselves. So here's the tagline for Elara, who is really a calm girl that actually listens and understands you. Next, you have to add in the description of your character, like their personality, maybe throw in their hobbies, etc. So here I've added a little description for Elara, and after that you have to add in the greetings. So basically, whenever you chat with the character, they will give you first message, which is what you have to enter in this greeting. It can literally be anything, but for now I'm going to use this greeting right here, which is, hey, I'm glad you're here and how are you feeling right now. You can even add up to 5 greetings and the users will get random greetings. Also, if you want AI generated greetings, you can check this button right here, but I want everyone to get the same greeting, which is this one right here, so I'm not going to do that. Here comes the fun part. You can add a voice to your own character. Now here you have to click on the voice button and you will see tons of voice options. In this discover tab, you have some featured voices which you can simply listen by clicking on this button right here that gives a basic preview of the voice. Like,
Do you have Wi Fi? Because I'm really feeling a connection.
now you can browse through this list and choose a voice that actually fits your character. And once you find a voice suitable, you can simply click on the select button and that voice will be added to your character. Now this is tag, which will be useful if you are trying to create a public character. Basically, you add in different tags for your character, like maybe about their characteristics, so that will help people to discover your character. Like if we talk about Elara, I can add in tags like girlfriend. So if you click on this, you'll find some search tags, and if you don't find them, you can even simply type it and they will appear over here. Now if you want to get deep into this creation, you can go to this more options and here you'll find the definition. So here you can add in any specific information about your character, like their backstory, which will be helpful to build the personality of your character like you have imagined. You can also add sample chats in here if you want any particular topic to be off the grid or anything like that. Then you can add in sample chat over here talking about that topic and giving the reaction that you would want to get from this character. So if you want to add in a chat, you can simply use these buttons right here, like this one is for user message, and you can enter in your dialogue and then use the character message for the character's dialogue. But for now, I'm not going to go into that, but I just showed it to you in case you want to get into details. Now, this one is the visibility setting, which lets you decide whether you want to go public with your character, want it to be unlisted or private. If it's unlisted, it can be accessed through a link only. So if you have an unlisted character and you want to share it with a few people, you can simply send them links. And the private character stays only for you. It cannot be made available to anyone else. Now, once you have decided all the settings, simply click on create character and your character is made. Here comes the fun part, which is to actually test out how this girl responds to our text, or also we can call her. So here I've typed in the reply and I'm going to send it, and check this out. She replied instantly with so much compassion and like a real friend. Now, if you want, you can even listen to this text instead of reading it by simply clicking on this play button right here, which will narrate this text in the voice we chose earlier, like this.
I'm really sorry you're carrying that weight right now. Stress can feel so heavy, especially.
And if you don't want to click on play button every time you get a text, you can simply turn on automatic voice chat by clicking on this button on the top of your chat. Not only that, you can even call this character by simply clicking on this call button right here, and it will start a real-time audio call. Now I'll give the permission. Hey,
Herkededik just knew.
nothing. I'm really bored.
I gotcha. Boredom can feel like a weight too, in its own way. If you want to talk about that, I'm all ears. Bored? When there's something on our mind, but we don't know how to look at it. Or maybe you'd want to hear a fun fact or a story to shake things up a bit?
Maybe you can tell me a fun fact.
Sure thing. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? It's a pretty colorful name for a pretty color coordinated group.
So as you saw, that was a pretty good real-time call with the character itself, and I hung up on her, and you can find the conversation right in your chat as well. And that's basically how you can create your own AI character using Character AI. So go build your companion, customize her exactly how you want, and make her personality match with what you're looking for. Drop a comment if you create one, and I'll see you in the next one.